welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to deposit cash on Citibank. In order to deposit cash on Citibank, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, you need to go and open up a browser, type in online.citi.com/us. This is going to take you to the official page and click on the sign on button located in the top right hand side corner. Now enter in your credential, that is a user ID and then a password. And next what you have to do is you need to go ahead and click on add money. When you actually go ahead and press on it, then you'll be able to see the field where you have to go ahead and enter in the information of the sources, that is from where you are actually adding the money. So you could go ahead and enter your bank account details or whatever and then click on the add button, enter in the exact amount, all of that, go through the prompts and all of these information, and then you need to check and review all of the information. If you're sure about it, then you can just go ahead and deposit your cash in Citibank. So that is how you can deposit cash in your Citibank. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.